India celebrated 76th Republic Day today as a chief guest. Indonesia's President Prabowo attended the Republic Day parade at Kartavya Path. Around 31 tableaus participated in the parade. Prime Minister Modi led the nation in paying homage to the fallen soldiers at the National War Memorial in Delhi. Prime Minister Modi also signed the ceremonial book at the National War Memorial in Delhi. Prime Minister Modi then arrived at Kartavya Path for the 76th Republic Day parade and received President Draupadi Murmu and President of Indonesia, Prabowo Subianto, the chief guest. President Draupadi Murmu unfurled the national flag at Kartavya Path, followed by the national anthem and 21-gun salute. The theme for the tableau at the Republic Day Parade 2025 was Swarnim Bharat, Virasat aur Vikas. India's progress in various sectors like technology, infrastructure and cultural heritage was showcased. A 352-member marching and band contingent from Indonesia participated in the parade. The parade also featured many other firsts, such as the Trial Services tableau, which depicted the spirit of jointness among the armed forces.
शील सभ्यता दोनों ही हैं मम भारतम, क्योंकि विरासत के नाम पर न हम विकास को दरकिनार करते हैं, न ही विकास की दौड़ में हम विरासत को पीछे छोड़ते हैं। साथ है हमारे युवाओं की असीमित ऊर्जा और नारी शक्ति का अखंड योगदान। जयति जय जय
भारतम, जयति जय जय मम भारतम, मम भारतम, भारतम। हो तेरी जय जय, तेरी जय, तेरी जय मम भारतम, तेरी जय मम भारतम, तेरी जय मम भारतम।
Bhavan. The opening salute with a bullet wheelie, leading the corps of Signal Daredevils team. Today's parade, dynamic team captain, Captain Ashish Rana. And these are the two wheelies. What balance.
Shivani Sharma is joining us live on the broadcast. Shivani, there's been a confluence of Virasat and Vikas in the parade. What do you think? How do you think that's enhanced Republic Day's glory?
Consisting of 51 male and 49 female.
Chetna, Virasat and Vikas was the theme of this year's Republic Day parade. That means the rich cultural heritage that we witnessed during the parade in terms of the tableaus from the states and also the achievements of these states, be it Maharashtra or be it Gujarat, and all these amalgamation of rich cultural heritage along with how the states are moving ahead and they are contributing for nation's progress. This was one part. Another very important part was the military capabilities, the enhancing might of the Indian Defence Forces, and also the jointness that was the theme this year, because first time there was a Tri-Services tableau which included the assets of Indian Army, Navy and the Air Force and how in future they will be working together during operations. So this was the essence of today's Republic Day parade, where we saw the marching contingents and showcasing full valor. We also saw the camel contingent. We also saw how the Indonesia's contingent with over 352 soldiers, including women. And this was a Tri-Services contingent that was marching on Kartavya Path. We saw how women officers from different the Army, Navy and Air Force, they participated in this parade, and also how they led the contingents at the same time. There was a father-son duo out here, Chetna, where we saw the parade commander, Lieutenant General Bhuvnesh Kumar, who was commanding this parade, and his son was also commanding the cavalry contingent, Lieutenant Ahan. And these all modern weapon systems were displayed here. Many such weapon systems like Pralay missile, they were displayed for the first time. You can see these artists who are still here, who have performed today on Kartavya Path. They have performed really well. If I can speak to a few of them. आप कहाँ से आए हो? क्या
बिहार? जी हम लोगों ने नॉर्मल डांस किया है.
जो 5000 आर्टिस्ट का डांस था, कितने दिन तक आप लोगों ने प्रैक्टिस?
1 month.
आपको कैसा लग रहा है आज आपने ये अचीवमेंट किया है कि आज आप?
बहुत अच्छा लगा. बहुत अच्छा.
So it was a pleasure watching them, and it was also a moment in their life when they represented their state, their tribe, because this was a performance of all the different states with their special tribal dance, the cultural dance. They performed together to create that essence of unity and diversity in India, the most colorful culture in the world. And here we've witnessed how India is transforming in terms of getting more powerful with the self-reliance in terms of its combat capabilities, and also how the development is happening across different states in their own fields. The states are contributing to the progress of the nation. We also saw how Prime Minister Narendra Modi waved everyone on the Kartavya Path. He was quite encouraging in waving to these marching contingents, and we also saw President taking the salute at the saluting dais. So it was an enthralling parade, enthralling Republic Day parade, the 76th Republic Day parade, where we saw a beautiful confluence of culture and capability at the Kartavya Path.
Right, Shivani, stay with us. I'm going to come back to you. You keep tracking the details and the latest of what's happening after during the Republic Day celebrations. President Draupadi Murmu approved 93 gallantry awards for armed forces personnel. The awards include 2 Kirti Chakras and 14 Shaurya Chakras, among other gallantry awards. The Kirti Chakras, India's second highest peacetime gallantry award, have been awarded to Major Manjeet from 22 Rashtriya Rifles and posthumously to Naik Dilwar Khan from 28 Rashtriya Rifles. Gallantry medals conferred 14 Shaurya Chakras, including 3 posthumous, 1 Bar to Sena Medal, 66 Sena medals, including 7 posthumous, 2 Nau Sena Medal and 8 Vayu Sena medals. Of the 95 gallantry awards, personnel from the Central Reserve Police Force received 19 medals, which is amongst the highest amongst all central and state police forces, followed by Uttar Pradesh, which has 17 medals, Jammu and Kashmir 15 and Chhattisgarh 11. While 11 of the 19 medals were for counter-terrorism operations in Jammu and Kashmir, 7 were for acts of bravery in anti-Maoist operations and 1 for the courage displayed during an operation in the northeast.